Hello and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today it's a create mod video with the trackwork mod, and I'll be showing you off this cool car design. It's basically just a car that can shift gears. See, this one has 32 and 256. So let me show you it in action. So I press space to make it go forwards, and press space again to make it stop. I press W to make it go backwards. I press backspace to ring the bell, just like how you guys should ring that notification bell and hit the like and subscribe button. I press D to make it turn right, and I press A to make it turn left, as you can see. But the most important thing is what happens when I press shift. You see, this isn't like any normal car. No, in fact, it can shift gears, as you can see. It's very cool to use. I'll put the schematic down in the description. But that's it for today. I'll see you later.